Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you use QuickBooks Online and ever need to export your data for reports, backups, or your accountant, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to export your QuickBooks Online data easily and correctly without missing any details. So stick with me till the end and you'll master it like a pro. First, let's start with why exporting data is important. Whether you want to analyze your financials in Excel, create backups, or share details with your accountant, exporting helps you keep full control of your business data outside QuickBooks. Now, log into your QuickBooks Online account through your web browser. Enter your email and password securely, and once you're on the dashboard, we're ready to begin. Head over to the settings icon in the top right corner, that little gear icon, and under the Tools section, click Export Data. This is where you'll find all your export options. QuickBooks will show different data categories you can export, such as customers, vendors, accounts, and transactions. You can turn each category on or off using the toggles. My tip, only export what you actually need to save time and keep your files light. Once you've selected your data, hit Export to Excel. QuickBooks will process your request, and depending on how much data you have, it might take a few moments. When it's done, the file will automatically download to your computer's default downloads folder. You can open it with Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, whichever you prefer. Finally, review your exported data carefully to make sure everything looks correct and complete. If you notice anything missing, you can always go back and re-export with adjusted filters or toggles. And that's it. You've just exported your QuickBooks Online data in a few simple steps. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more QuickBooks tips, and drop a comment below if you want me to cover importing data next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.